Hey everybody, the Tech Teacher 1381 here, and I wanted to start off with day one of the 31 Chrome extensions that you should have in your teacher tool belt or at least try once. Day one today is iorad, the tutorial builder. Sometimes we want to create tutorials for our staff, and sometimes it can take a long time to start producing a video. So iorad is definitely a go-to tool. So let me go and show you the way this works. I'm going to go here to my Google Drive. I'm going to click on the iorad icon. Click on iorad here to start capturing. And I'm going to simply show you how to create a Google folder. Click on New. Click on Folder. Title folder. And I'll go ahead and title that iorad folder. Click Create. And we'll let Google Drive work its magic here while it creates my folder. And that should be happening right now. Here you go. Clicked on my folder and I'll go ahead and click stop. Now the cool thing is that iorad follows every single one of your clicks here. So the first step, we can go ahead and show and make some edits here. If you need to make the boxes a little bit bigger, you can go ahead and do that. It says the first step is to open My Drive, Google Drive, and click New. You can go ahead and edit this text here, get rid of that. You can even change the text that is in red. You can change that back to black here. And if you're okay with that, then we can go ahead and click on New. We can go ahead and make some changes here. It says with your mouse hover over folder, but in reality what we wanted to do is click on folder, so we can get rid of this step right here. So we'll just leave it as there. Click on folder. Next step, click, and we can fix this to say folder name. And continue. Don't mind the double clicking. That was me trying to rename my folder. There you go. Click create. And it says with your mouse hover over new folder. We can get rid of that. Scroll down and click on iorad folder. That was my last step that I did there. And that's it. I'm done. I can go ahead and fix this here. I'll go ahead and go to preview and finish. Now, the great part is that you can preview and finish. You can see the way that this is going to look like on a mobile device. You can even add speech to text, or text to speech, I should say, if you'd like. And you can leave it as an interactive tutorial, or you can have people either view it in a list view, they can print a PDF, or they can watch the short little video here. So I'll show you the way that works, which is kind of cool. So there you go. The first step is to open My Drive and click New, and it'll just go ahead and play all the steps. You grab this short link here, and now you can go ahead and share that via email or any other way that you'd like to share it through a mobile device. So there is iorad. Create some great tutorials there. So hopefully this is helpful to you, and this will be on the 31-day, 31 Chrome extensions you should know Wakelet collection. Y'all have a wonderful evening and enjoy the rest of your day with iorad.